we're in the next video. We're in the one video getting the rambutan next. Eating the rambutan. And today, we're gonna do the talbos time. Come on, guys. Look at this, guys. There's so many. We're gonna get talbos. Talbos pala, guys. So, guys, let's see the walls. There's squilliams here somewhere, guys. And look at that. There's the baboy truck. Ooh, there's a flip. There's so many plants here. We're gonna do.
Ito ang talbos, Alex. Yan mga dulo. Ito, ayan. Talbos yan, nagugulay yan.
Ma, can I do it?